Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have n cubed plus n equals to 30, and we solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we move this 30 to the left hand side and we write it as n cubed plus n minus 30 equals to 0. So in the next step we break here our 30 and we write it as n cubed plus n minus, we write this 30 as minus 27 minus 3 equals to 0, because we know that minus 27 minus 3 becomes minus 30. And after that we write this equation as n cubed plus n minus, this is 27 and we write it as 3 cubed. We know that 27 equals to 3 times of 3, because 3 times of 3 is 9, 9 times of 3 becomes 27, so we write this 27 as 3 cubed. Similarly we have this minus 3 equals to 0. And after that we make the pair of cubic term and the simple terms as well. So we have the first cubic term is n cubed, the second cubic term is 3 cubed, and plus we have the term other than cube is n minus 3 equals to 0. And after that here we use the nice cubic formula, and you know about this formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So if you focus here, so this n is our a and this 3 is our b. So now we substitute these values of a and b in this formula and we get its output in this form. So here you get n minus 3 times of n square plus ab. So here our a is n and our b is 3 plus b square, so our b is 3 square and plus this is n minus 3 equals to 0. So here in this step we just apply this cubic formula to this term and we get its output in this equation form. So now here we need more simplification, and if you focus on each of these terms we see that n minus 3 be the common factor. So we take common n minus 3 and we get the remaining terms are n square plus this is 3n plus this 3 square becomes 9, and because we take common n minus 3 and here we get plus 1 equals to 0. And now in the next step we need simplification here and we write it as n minus 3 times of n square plus 3n plus 9 plus 1 is 10, and this whole equation equals to 0. So that in the next step we have two cases here. So our first case is we take n minus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we take n square plus 3n plus 10 equals to 0. So that in the first case we easily get the value of n equals to 3. So this is the our first real root of this question. So if you focus on the given question statement and you see here the highest power of this equation is 3, so it means that in this question we need to find these 3 roots of the given equation, because if you have what is the exponent of this equation, so that number of solutions or roots are exist of this equation. So we have 3, so it means that we find the 3 roots of this equation. So this is the first real root. So now in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 3 and c equals to 10. And here we write the quadratic formula. So our quadratic formula is n equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. So now we substitute the values of A, B and C here, and we get n equals to minus b. So our b is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square. So b is 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 10 divided by 2 times of a, and our a is 1. So in the next step, here we need simplification, and we write it as minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square becomes 9 minus 4 times of 10 becomes 40, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. So now in the next step, here we rewrite this expression as minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 40 becomes minus 31 square root divided by 2. So we have that two values of n is minus 3 plus minus square root of minus 31 divided by 2. So now in the next step, here you see that we have negative sign inside the square root, so we separate this negative sign and we write it as minus 3 plus minus square root of 31 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So we know that the square root of minus 1 is equals to iota, because we use this complex fact minus 1 square root equals to iota. So that we substitute this minus 1 square root equals to iota, and we get the terms are n equals to minus 3 plus minus 31 square root into iota divided by 2. So these are the two complex solutions of the given equation, and the third real solution is n equals to 3. So these are the three solutions of the given equation, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.